Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to perform prime factorization in scientific calculator. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. Just follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. Let's begin. It's quite simple. All you need to do is you need to insert the number you want to factorize, then just follow the simple step. Let's go with an example. Suppose I take 1014, go to shift, then press this written as fact above, just press it. Sorry, you need to first press solve and then press shift fact, and your output will be shown as prime factors. This is how you can perform prime factorization of any number. Let's go with another example. First solve it, equal, then go to shift, then factorize, and we'll get the prime factors. That's it guys. That's how you can perform prime factorization in your scientific calculator. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.